Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Well, this knife is unmarked. No name, nothing I can find. It's supposed to be real Damascus, but I don't know if it is or not. It's fairly smooth. Feel some little bit. You can feel a little bit of stuff, not much. Goes all the way down the tang. That reminds you of anything, that back spring? Looks Pakistani to me. They're making some pretty good stuff, though. It's not the same on both sides. It could be Damascus, I guess. I'll leave it up to you viewers. It is well made, pretty grips on it. A lot of pins. It's got a lock on it. Approximately. Handles every bit of probably 3.5, imagine. Blade probably 3. Well, folks, stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.